Hey, welcome to another episode of GeekOutdoors.com. So today I'm going to be talking about a subject that I think everyone can relate to, and that is failure. Failure is something that all of us are going to experience, and it sucks. There's no doubt about it. But there's something that is worse than failure, and that is regret. So one of the things that I've studied and learned from people who are successful or who have really influenced the world in a very big way is that all of them have failed, but pretty much most of them have not left their lives with a lot of regret because they did a lot of things. They did a lot of big things. They lived the life that they wanted to. Because at the end of the day, whenever you pass, nobody's going to remember what you had. They're only going to remember what you did. And the same thing goes for you as an individual. Just think about the end of your life. You're probably not going to be thinking about the house that you had, the cars, how much money, all of those things. Even though those things are important, what you're going to be thinking about is what you did and especially what you didn't do, and that's where regret sets in. Because whenever that happens, that goes with you forever. Whereas you failing, that's a temporary thing. Although it's painful, it's nowhere near the infinite pain that you're going to experience whenever you have regret. And so that's the reason why I do a lot of things that I do, because I'm the type of person who is really scared of failing, and I have been for many years, and it's still something that I go through every single day. But I kind of really thought about it and started learning all these things, that regret is way worse, and that's definitely not how I want to go out. For serious YouTubers, check out TubeBuddy, the premier tool news at GeekOutdoors.com. Get more done today by checking out the affiliate link in the description area below. And so if you had any thoughts on failure or regret, or any of the other things that I mentioned earlier, be sure to leave that in the comments area below. And as always, if you did get value out of these videos, share, like, and subscribe. If you're a creative geek like me, and you want to get exclusive access to more content that I don't put out here publicly on my YouTube channel, then join my Gold Content Creators group, where you're going to get content like this and more for all the creative geeks out there. And the best part is, all of this is free. Simply head over to the link below, check out my page, and sign up for my Gold Content Creators group.